Welcome back to Gainesville, Florida. I'm Bruno Maslin. Once again, I'm with the Vice President of Fabco Air, Scott Lamar. Now, the next group of cylinders we're going to talk about are Fabco's standardized line of cylinders. They're basically designed to fit NFPA and or ISO 6431 and 6432 standards. Now, with the NFPA cylinders, the concept is that a customer can replace any manufacturer's NFPA cylinder with another cylinder from a different manufacturer. And the key is you can rest assured that those cylinders will fit in the same footprint and space. Now, first up, you've got the Fabco NFPA cylinder. What are some of the specifications you've got for it or the different variations of?
Well, we started 1.5-inch bore and we go to 14-inch bore. We have a composite rod bearing. Of course, we use our Magnalube-G as a standard grease.
Okay. Now, moving on to the ISO 6431, it's basically the European equivalent of, in a sense that, once again, one manufacturers can replace another, and they'll fit the same size and same physical dimension. Now, the bore sizes run from 32 millimeter to 125 millimeter, with strokes up to 1,000 millimeter.
Keep in mind, all these cylinders have air cushions. They're switch ready. They have the magnet inside them. You can get front or rear mount. You can get front or rear flange. You can get clevis mount. You can get trunnion mount. You can also get rod clevises for these units. Pretty
much anything to fit your needs.
Exactly.
Now we'll talk about another different option you've got is the non-repairable cylinders from Fabco.
We go from 5/16 bore up to 3-inch bore, strokes up to 50 inches. We have air cushions available 3/4 bore and up. Of course, you have a lot of different mountings, just like you have on the NFPA and all of our standard cylinders. For severe environments, you can get a Delrin head for washdown, or you can get a complete stainless steel cylinder. The standard cylinder is stainless steel with aluminum heads.
Now, the idea behind the non-repairable is the fact you've got the same function and all the same benefits you'd have from a traditional Fabco, except the fact that it's non-repairable, which means it's a little bit cheaper. It's more of an entry-level cylinder.
It is less expensive. A lot of OEMs use them. They do save some space. They're a little bit longer, but they do save space in diameter, so.
Okay.
They're just not repairable.
Now, the European equivalent of that is the 6432, which you've got on the end here.
Yeah, the 6432 start at 12 millimeter bore, and of course the ISO standard is up to 25 bore. But we do have extended bores. We have a 32 and a 40 bore to give you larger bores that still run to the ISO 6432 standard.
Okay. So for more on the non-repairable cylinders or any of the standardized cylinders that Fabco has to offer, once again, guys need to check out Fabco's website at www.fabco-air.com.